Welcome to day 12 of the 14-day challenge. You've already mastered so many design techniques, and today we're putting them all together to design an entire jewelry collection from scratch. I'll show you how to start with one design, a 4-leaf clover ring, and then turn that single piece into a collection by creating a matching pair of earrings and a necklace. Designing a cohesive collection might sound complicated, but with JewelKitPro, you'll see how easy and fast it can be. Let's start by making the 4-leaf clover by duplicating the green round gemstone 3 times and placing them all together in a square shape. Then bringing the round prong in the center and on the 4 corners of the stones. Place the ring component underneath the clover, rotate it, duplicate it, flip it, then erase the unwanted part and merge them together, enable alpha lock, and then blend the metals together for a seamless effect. Now let's move to the second piece. Duplicate the clover to use it for the second piece, then scale down the ring and put it aside. We're using another ring, but we're transforming it into hoop earrings. Rotate the ring 90 degrees, then select part of it and make it thinner for the opening of the hoop. Next, bring in a link, place it at the bottom of the hoop, duplicate it, and place a second ring that we're going to attach the clover onto. Duplicate the finished hoop to make a pair. Scale it down and put it aside. Now let's move on to the last piece, which is the necklace. Set the links along the chain and then place a clover on each of the links to make the necklace. That's it for day 12. You've just designed an entire jewelry collection in just minutes, a workflow that can save you hours when developing new product lines or presenting multiple matching pieces to clients. See you tomorrow for day 13.